Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how you can make this rich, creamy North Indian dish Paneer Makhani. So let's start. We will need about 1 cup of thinly sliced chopped onions, paneer, heavy whipping cream about half a cup of tomato paste, or you can use tomato puree, salt as per taste, kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of oil, also 1 tablespoon of butter, ginger and garlic paste, cilantro to garnish, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Now heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add chopped onions, saute until it is slightly brown, add ginger and garlic paste and tomato paste, saute for few seconds and then add water. Mix really well and add sugar, garam masala powder and red chili powder. Stir really well, add half teaspoon of salt and kasuri methi. Stir everything well and bring it to boil. Now add cream. Mix really well and bring it to boil for 2 minutes. And add butter and simmer until you see droplets of oil separating. Now add paneer, simmer for 2 minutes and we're ready to serve. So here rich creamy tomato sauce gravy paneer makhani is ready. I'm going to serve it with naan. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.